Most welcome. Today we will discuss MCQs from 726 to 750. MCQ 726. Which case validated the first martial law under the doctrine of necessity? Answer is State v. Dosso case 1958. MCQ 727. Which Chief Justice presided over the Maulvi Tamizuddin case? The answer is Chief Justice Muhammad Munir. MCQs 728. In which year was the Asma Jilani case decided? The answer is 1972. MCQ 729. What was the key outcomes of the Asma Jilani case? The answer is martial law declared illegal. MCQ 730. Which case introduced the doctrine of necessity in Pakistan? The answer is State v. Dosso case. MCQ 731. In which year was the Nusrat Bhutto case decided? The answer is 1977. MCQ 732. What was the Supreme Court's decision in the Nusrat Bhutto case? The answer is validated Zia's martial law under necessity. MCQ 733. Which case restored Chief Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhary in 2007? Answer is Supreme Court Bar Association case. MCQs 734. In which year was the 18th Amendment challenged in the Supreme Court? Answer is 2010. MCQ 735. Which case is associated with the Panama Papers verdict? Answer is Imran Khan versus Nawaz Sharif case in 2017. MCQ 736. Which article gives the Supreme Court suo motu powers? Answer is Article 184 Part 3. MCQs 737. In which year was the Sindh High Court established? Answer is 1906 as Chief Court. Later High Court structure evolved. MCQs 738. Which constitutional amendment changed the method of appointment of judges in 2010? Answer is 18th Amendment. MCQ 739. Which case declared Yahya Khan as aspir? The answer is Asma Jilani case. MCQ 740. Which article defines the jurisdiction of high courts? The answer is Article 199. MCQs 741. In which year was the lawyer movement started? The answer is 2007. MCQ 742. Which Chief Justice was removed during the Provisional Constitution Order of 2007? The answer is Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhary. MCQ 743. Which case is referred to the dissolution of National Assembly in 1993? The answer is Nawaz Sharif versus President of Pakistan case. MCQ 744. Which article provides for the judicial review of executive actions? Answer is Article 199. MCQ 745. In which year was the Supreme Court established in Pakistan? The answer is 1956. MCQ 746. Which constitutional body oversees the conduct of judges? The answer is Supreme Judicial Council. MCQ 747. Under which article is the Supreme Judicial Council established? Answer is Article 209. MCQ 748. Which case deals with the extension of the Army Chief tenure in 2019? The answer is General Qamar Javed Bajwa extension case. MCQ 749. Which amendment restored parliamentary sovereignty by limiting presidential powers? The answer is 18th Amendment. MCQs 750. Which article empowers the High Court to issue writs? The answer is Article 199.